Hello dear ladies and gentlemen. Today we will speak about the basic features in the Jive. So the basic movement in Jive consists from rock step, chasse to the right and chasse to the left. Rock step, chasse, chasse. How to do it? As I told you before in the previous videos, rock step, we are putting our leg almost after the heel of the left foot. It's the girl's part. Yeah? If we're dancing the girl's part, we're using the right leg. If we're dancing the man's part, we're using the left leg. So the girls, for you first. We're putting our leg after the heel. Then my foot is rotating. Then I'm doing the step. Then the forward step. In the jive, we're using a little swing action. So my weight is transferring like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and boys 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and so now I will show the boy step. 1 and 2 and before the chasse, I have a little overbalance. I'm starting to fall, and then my leg is falling under my weight. Then I'm doing the basic action and pushing myself up. With this push, I'm getting my leg closer. You can do it like together, but you can do a little bit with the distance. It doesn't matter really. This leg stays straight, and I'm putting the weight on it, and at the same time getting next to overbalance. So it looks like step, push, and fall. And then I'm doing basic action, ball action, and collecting the legs. Step, push, fall. Basic action, ball action, collecting the legs. Rock step, chasse. Chasse. Again, rock step, chasse, chasse. In Jive, we need to learn how to do the kick action. You know that we're using the kick action in the Jive. So, here I'm using this Jive bounce to take my knee and my leg up, like this. And every time I'm putting my heel on the floor and doing the basic action again, like this. If I will do it without the kick. Step, go down. My kick action is going in one point. If I will do a little bit action to the front, it will be like a flick, yeah, and my leg will go there. But I need, in the kick action, my leg to go exactly in the point and back. to do, like this, to do. And the very important thing is that when I'm collecting the legs, my foot is going up with this line. If you don't want to make a hole in your dress, girls, you need to understand this rule. My leg is going up on this line, on the standing leg. And kick and collect, kick and collect, kick and every time I'm doing this basic action. So we have step, collect, kick, collect, step, collect, kick, collect, step, collect, kick, collect. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and we are doing it the same. Doesn't matter which kick actions you have, to the front, to the side or backward. I'm doing it with a basic action. Front, side, backward, or at the point. I'm doing this basic action every time, and I'm using my heel every time. So thank you for your attention. See you in next videos.